And my tooth is wiggly.
So what are we gonna do?
We're gonna drop this bottle down, and then my tooth is gonna pop out.
Hopefully.
Yeah.
All right.
But if it doesn't, we're gonna have to try nothing more.
Are you nervous?
Yeah.
Oh, it'll be okay. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Okay. Now hold this.
Rosie, come stand by me.
Go ahead.
Ready?
My tooth just came out.
No way. Let me see. Where'd it go?
I don't know.
Did it go down there?
I don't know.
Let's go look. Let's go find it.
Okay.
There's our bottle. It broke. There's water on the floor.
Yeah.
Okay. Where's our tooth? Did you hear it?
No.
Wait. What's that? Oh my gosh, let me see. Oh my goodness, okay, let me see that face again. Oh man, that worked. Success, high five. Good job.
The ball, I dropped it so hard, I slammed it on the floor and it whipped out.
Let me see. Let me see your face. Oh my goodness. Tooth Fairy gonna come tonight?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. We lost it.